Hi, I'm Tiam and I'm a knit and crochet designer. Today I'm going to show you how to do the bobble stitch. Let's grab some yarn and get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and press the bell icon for notifications of future videos. This is a combination of knits and purls, but every now and then you will knit lots of times into one stitch to create these little 3D shapes. You can knit 3, 4 or 5 times into one stitch. The more you do, the bigger the bobble. When you get to the end of the row for this pattern, you will do a whole row of purl, then a whole row of knit, then a whole row of purl. Then you'll do another row of bobbles. Knit until the point you want to make the bobble. I want my bobble here. Then knit 4 times into the stitch. First, knit as you normally would. Then, before you slip the old stitch off the needle, you will knit into the back leg of the stitch. Then, you knit into the front leg of the stitch one more time. Then, finally, one more time knitting into the back leg of the stitch. Then slip the old stitch off the left needle. Turn your work. Now you are going to purl these 4 new stitches. Purl 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work again, and now you're going to knit all of these stitches together. The easiest way is to insert the needle into the back of the stitches at the same time, and then wrap the yarn around the needle as if you were knitting, and draw it through all 4 stitches in one go. And now you've worked your first bobble. Then continue knitting until you're ready to make another bobble. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. For more knitting inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.